Babies, let's enjoy the alphabet A to Z. Orange color, green color, violet color, yellow color, light green color, gold color, brown color, black color, purple color, red color, silver color, pink color, pink color, pink color. A for apple. Red color, red color. B for bat. Orange color, orange color. C for cake. Green color, D for doll. Violet color, E for elephant. Yellow color, F for fish. Light green color, Z for gold. Gold color, H for horse. Brown color, I for igloo. Purple color, Z for jackfruit. Black color, K for kite. Silver color, L for lamp. Pink color, M for mango. Red color, N for necklace. Orange color, O for octopus. Violet color, P for parrot. Green color, Q for queen. Yellow color, R for rain. Light green color, S for strawberry. Brown color, T for tiger. Purple color, U for umbrella. Black color, V for vase. Orange color, W for watermelon. Violet color, X for x-ray. Green color, Y for yak. Red color, Z for zebra. A, B, C, D, E, F, Z, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Thank you.